Cathay Pacific shareholders at an extraordinary general meeting have approved a $5 billion rescue package from the Hong Kong government. Cathay will sell preference shares worth $2.5 billion with 251 million of warrants to the Hong Kong government. The package also includes a bridging loan of more than $1 billion. It will give the Hong Kong government a 6% stake in the carrier. It would also allow for 2 government observers to be present at board meetings. The current major shareholders, including Swire, Air China and Qatar Airways, will have their holdings reduced. The carrier has grounded most of its fleet for months. Now, the airline has been losing more than $258 million a month since February due to the plunge in travel demand and ongoing travel restrictions.